What is up, everyone, and welcome back to a new video. We're the Tasty Twins, and we're going to show you the best brownies ever. Let's get started. Okay, so we have 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate, but we're going to put 1.5 of those cups in this measuring glass with a cup of butter, and we're going to melt it. So we're probably going to put this in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time and mix in between to make sure it's fully melted. Alright, so now we got a big bowl here, and we're going to crack 3 eggs. Alright, so once the eggs are cracked in, we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar. And 1 cup of brown sugar. Let's whisk this together. Okay, let's add a splash of vanilla, about 1 teaspoon. And now we're going to add our chocolate mixture. Okay, so let's turn our mixture into a batter. We're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cocoa powder. Let's fold it in. Okay, so now we're going to add the remaining 1.5 cups of chopped chocolate into our mixture. Okay, so we transferred our brownie dough into our pan here. It's lined with parchment paper, and now you can see the perfection of this brownie. There are chocolate chunks everywhere. It looks so good. But anyways, we're going to put it in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. Alright, those brownies are amazing, chocolate galore, but we do recommend putting it in the fridge or letting it cool out until it's room temperature. We'll see you in the next video, and there are some videos on the side in case you want to check those out. Subscribe button's also here if you want to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.